In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board on monday.com, a process that can greatly increase your efficiency by allowing you to replicate successful board structures for repeated use. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management process or simply save time setting up new boards, this tutorial is for you. First things first, let's head over to your monday.com homepage. This is where all your projects, or boards as they're referred to on monday.com, live. You'll want to start by finding the board you wish to duplicate. Why might you want to duplicate a board? Perhaps you've set up a project management system that works perfectly for one project, and you want to replicate that success for a new project. Whatever the reason, duplicating boards can save you a ton of setup time. Once you've located the board in question, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots lined up vertically. This is the menu button, and it's your gateway to a variety of actions you can take on your board. Give it a click to reveal the drop-down menu. Hover your cursor over more actions within this menu. It's here that monday.com keeps all the advanced functionalities you can apply to your board. We're diving into one of those today, the duplicate board option. Here's where it gets exciting, because with just a few clicks you're about to replicate the entire structure of your current board. Clicking on duplicate board will prompt you with a few choices, but before you rush ahead, take a moment to consider. This is a great opportunity to tweak the name of your board. Giving it a distinct name can help differentiate between the original and the duplicate, especially if you're managing multiple projects simultaneously. Next, you'll encounter options on what exactly you want to carry over to your duplicated board. These options include board structure only, board structure and items, and board structure, items, and updates. Let's pause for a second to understand these choices. Board structure only duplicates the columns and groups, but leaves the items behind. Ideal for when you want a clean slate but with the same organizational setup. Board structure and items brings over all the tasks, or items as monday.com calls them, but leaves comments and updates behind. Lastly, board structure, items and updates clones everything, including the conversation threads on each item. This option is best when you want a full copy to preserve the history for reference or continuation. Whichever option suits your needs best, select it, and then, with a feeling of accomplishment, click duplicate. And just like that, you've created an exact replica of your board. It's worth noting that the duplicated board will appear in the same workspace as the original, so you might need to move it to a different workspace if that's what you require. Congratulations! You've successfully duplicated a board on monday.com, a straightforward yet impactful process that can streamline your project management and save you valuable time. Remember, the key to duplicating boards effectively is understanding not just how to do it, but when and why it can benefit your workflow. With this tutorial, you're well on your way to mastering just that. Experiment with duplicating boards for various purposes, and watch as your project management process becomes more efficient than ever. Happy duplicating!